Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time,
stay gorgeous.
Okay, what? Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.
Wait, a little disgusting. Okay.
Exactly.
Stay gorgeous.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay gorgeous.
I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait, can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait, see you again.
Look at this guy. Where'd you go? Well, hello. Well, hello. Well, hello. Oh, hello. 5, 6, 7, 8. Baby, can't you see? I'm calling the gal like you. Should wear a warning. Dangerous. Oh my god. Oh.
Continuing from Pluto to your. Oh, that's not a Britney Spears song, right?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Welcome to Houston. Come join me.
Oh! Dude! Maybe she's like dancing around and she falls. I mean.
Do you know who that was? An aliens.
I see you doing
saying like, what are you doing? Let's go.
Alright guys, so here we are. We're on our way from Houston to, where are we going?
I was still there.
Hello, how are you?
Barcelona.
Where are we?
Barcelona, España. Hemos llegado, oye. Entra en nuestro restaurante, vente.
Yes.
Es que mira la fuente.
Oh my god, this is so cute. Will you really take us? Okay, so this lady's saying that this hotel is it's haunted, so Apparently there's this couple that was supposed to go to so they were supposed to get
The
married.
groom was supposed to show up to the wedding. He didn't show up, so the bride hung herself from
In
our
this
honeymoon
bedroom.
suite.
So we're gonna go right now. This is so crazy. I'm so scared. He ate too much. Oh my gosh, it's on the 3rd floor. Oh my gosh.
I'm
Same.
second. I moved.
Oh my gosh, that's probably.
Because I walked into my room, the TV was on. I just got
You know
here.
what? I think people have it on the timer, so sometimes they'll come on. You know. Just
What
make
if
sure-
mine comes on
Well, just
tonight?
make sure it's not on,
Stop.
It will probably come to like the story of the
because
hotel.
it'll scare the.
Oh, Jesus.
And there's a party, a quinceañera.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Is that the groom?
So the honeymoon suite is closed off.
Oh my god.
Why?
So this is for real?
Like 3 times, see what happens.
It's through this one? Oh
It's right
my-
here. It's closed off.
Shut up.
So it has a spiral staircase,
Mhm.
and that is why they closed it off, because it's a.
Because it goes all the way up, huh?
It goes up, you know. So
How did
so
you go so?
it's in 3 levels.
I see a window. Somebody there. Oh my god.
You can see
Oh, right.
through that window over there.
Oh my.
You see, that's the other tower over there.
I see it. Oh, so he didn't show up for the wedding and she hung herself. Oh my god, do you see her? She's right there, still waiting for her long lost love.
Stop it.
What's your name?
Maribel.
All right, Maribel. Thank you so much for the stories. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to sleep tonight. This. Oh my god, this girl just fucking. Maybe I should knock too. Honey, I'm home. Just kidding. No, don't.
She's probably gonna follow you.
She's following. Oh, she's following me right now to my room.
They say it's a friendly ghost. I don't know.
Okay, maybe it's Casper.
Maybe.
Well, thank you, Maribel. Do you want to say hi to my vlog?
Hi.
So she's just like doing herself. Okay guys, so welcome to the haunted house. This is her hair. See, as you can see, it's growing.
Oh my
She
god.
has dreads.
She has dreads. This is such a cute
What is,
hotel though.
how can you go down there? 2nd floor? And then we can like hang ourselves there.
Good morning, guys. Okay, so I am on the plane now. I didn't really get to sleep that well last night because I was just freaking out. So scared. The hotel was just full of ghosts. It's ridiculous. But it's okay. I'm on the plane now. Thanks for getting us here, guys. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So this is how it concludes. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you click like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, stay gorgeous.
Oh, okay, that's we want.
Okay.
Say it again.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. We're now back in San Francisco, just ended it. And make sure you click like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time,
Stay
gorgeous. I can't.
Okay.